So particularly for family photo collections, albums are good storage if you are using good quality albums. So you can buy albums that have passed the photographic activity test. They're lovely. When you're putting photos in them, don't take out your glue stick and glue them down, please. Use either plastic sleeves or photo corners to hold the photos in place. Those don't have any adhesives. It'll be easier to deal with them later if we need to. What you want to avoid are magnetic albums, which aren't magnetic at all. They have a piece of like board with adhesive on it and then a piece of plastic that lays over that. And you pull back the plastic, put your photos on the adhesive and put the plastic back down. Poor quality board, poor quality adhesive, poor quality plastic. They're just not awesome. So I generally recommend taking things out of magnetic albums if you can. First, scan them so you know what the album looked like. And you can even reassemble them in a better quality album if you want to.